Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to resolve the error retrieving frame issue in Premiere Pro using multiple methods. Suppose you are getting this error message while working on this project with this clip. The first solution that a lot of people have found to work is simply closing Premiere Pro and opening it again. If that doesn't work, try rebooting your computer and then launching Premiere Pro once more. The second solution is to delete corrupted media cache files. To do this, first close your project, but make sure you have saved it. Now click on File and then Close Project. After that, click on Edit. Go to Preferences and then go to Media Cache. Here, click on the Delete button, choose the second option, and then click OK. Premiere Pro will automatically restart. If that didn't work, the third solution is to go back to Media Cache. This time, click on Browse and make sure your media cache is stored on an internal drive. Many people have reported getting this error while using a portable or external drive, so if you are using one, try moving your footage to an internal drive instead. The next solution is to make sure the clip that's causing the error is not using a variable frame rate, as these are known to cause problems inside Premiere Pro. To check this, right-click the clip that's causing the issue in your sequence. Click on this arrow icon to scroll down and then click Reveal in Project. You'll now see the clip selected in the project window. Double-click the clip so it opens in the source monitor, then right-click the video and choose Media File Properties. Here, check whether it says Variable Frame Rate. This is what it should look like if you have a variable frame rate. If you see that, this is very likely the cause of the problem. An easy way to fix a variable frame rate clip is by using a free program called Handbrake, which I'll link in the description. To fix the clip, right-click it in the project window and choose Reveal in Explorer. Open Handbrake. Now drag and drop the clip into it. Click on the Video tab and check the option that says Constant Frame Rate. For high quality, set the RF value to 23 and make sure the resolution is set correctly. Choose the output location by clicking Browse, then click Start Encode. Once it's done, go back to Premiere Pro, delete the corrupted file, import the newly transcoded clip back into Premiere Pro, and it should now be problem-free. Another thing you can do is create proxies for the clips that are causing the error. Right-click the clip, click on Proxies, and then choose Create Proxies. Click OK, and Adobe Media Encoder will start creating them. Once it's finished, open Premiere Pro again. To enable the proxy, select the media and click the Toggle Proxies button. Now the proxies are active. If you get the error while rendering, open the Export window, go to the Video tab, click on More, scroll down to Encoding Settings, and set Performance to Software Encoding. This will almost definitely fix the error, but keep in mind that rendering times will be much longer. Another method is to change the media file extension. Right-click on the corrupted file in the media pool. Now click on Rename. Now change the file extension to another popular format for that file. In my case, I will change it from MP4 to MOV. Sometimes this can solve your problem. So you can try all these methods and see which one works for you. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.